What up? Let's make some chicken, bacon, lettuce boats. I was gonna call them wraps, but they not really wrapping around nothing. So boats it is. So I got some chicken and some orange pepper cooked up in a skillet. And I seasoned it with some black pepper, a little adobo, some garlic powder, and some paprika. Okay, that's it. Then I got this artisan romaine. And we gonna assemble the boats. So I added some of that chicken. I added some triple cheddar cheese. Use whatever you want. Use your favorites, okay? Do what you want. But I'm going to show you what I did. And then I added some bacon, some chopped up bacon, some banana peppers, and the secret sauce by Hidden Valley. Oh my God. The that smokehouse, get it. If you see it, get it and try it. And this, you got a snacky snack. You know I love a good snacky snack. Here. I know you want to bite. Hold on. Go and take one. Take a good bite.